SPHEREx is NASA's latest Explorer mission in astrophysics. It's a small telescope, but it has this unique and powerful capability of doing spectroscopy everywhere.
We are going to survey the entire celestial sphere and collect a data set that will help us answer 3 fundamental science questions.
It's going to tell us about the origin of the universe, the birth and formation history of galaxies, and the abundance of essential molecules such as water in the early stages of star and planet formation.
The great thing about SPHEREx is not only will we view the entire sky 4 times, but we will see it in nearly 100 near-infrared colors. And that's really never been done before.
According to our current understanding of the universe, we think that in the very earliest times, and I'm talking here a fraction of a second, much less than a nanosecond, the universe appeared to have gone through an accelerating expansion called inflation. And this is really a profound idea, and we're very interested to test it. And so one way to do this is to look at how matter is distributed over the universe. We want to map hundreds of millions of galaxies in 3 dimensions. What SPHEREx does, in addition to mapping out all these galaxies, is we cover the whole sky. So we can measure these galaxies over the largest part of the range we can see, which is the entire sky. And we want to cover the full range of distances from today to as far back as we can see.
We know there are about 100 billion galaxies in the universe, maybe more, but we still don't have a good understanding how these galaxies came to be. Did they all form at the same time? Did they change in size and luminosity or brightness over time? So the intent with SPHEREx is for us to figure out the formation history of galaxies, where do they exactly form, and how do they grow over cosmic time. And that information is crucial for us because that'll allow us to separate various theories we have right now on the formation and growth of galaxies.
Every day, we all pick up a bottle of water and we drink it without thinking. But to scientists, we still don't understand how this water arrived at Earth. Where was it formed? How did it get here? And this is an area in which SPHEREx will make major strides. Water molecules bounce around in interstellar space, and every once in a while they will impact a small dust grain. When a water molecule collides with one of these dust grains, it freezes on the surface. It doesn't leave the surface. And these ice-covered dust grains participate in the collapse to form regions where new planets are formed. SPHEREx, for the first time, will allow us to directly measure not just the location of these key ingredients, but the abundances of these key ingredients.
We expect to have spectra of order 500 million galaxies, hundreds of millions of stars.
We will really see anything that is observable in near-infrared, and that's a lot of things.
And so we can expect some exciting and unusual discoveries that come from this. SPHEREx is a nice complement to future telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, with the fantastic spatial and spectral capabilities, and learn more about what's going on.